Hello there. It's that time again. Pinterest trends for August of 2025. So, if you're a service provider like a coach, a photographer, wedding pro, any service provider, and you want more traffic and more leads, knowing what's trending on Pinterest can give your content that little extra boost. Today, I'm sharing what's going to be hot in August and also how to actually see these trends to create content that brings people to your website. All right, let's get into it. First things first, Pinterest isn't just a place for inspiration, pictures, and recipes. And Pinterest says that it's a visual search engine. I call it a search marketing platform or search engine, which means that if you're pinning content based on what people are searching for right now, then you're way more likely to get traffic. And here's the kicker: people on Pinterest plan early. So while Instagram might be talking about summer, Pinterest users are already diving into fall and Christmas. Yes, people start talking about Christmas on Pinterest in July. So, your job? Show up with content before they need it. And that's what I'm going to help you with today. Let's break it down a few trending topics for August and how you can make them work for your business. So, tip number one, back to school organization tips. Even if you're not in the education space, this is gold. If you're a coach, share time blocking tools or productivity tips because moms are going to be crazy, right? If you're a wedding pro, talk about how to stay organized during engagement season. If you're a photographer, create a blog post on planning fall mini sessions or getting ahead before busy season. Maybe talking about getting those family photos for the holidays done early, something like that. Tip number two, fall wedding planning ideas. My wedding pros, this is your moment. Think fall color palettes, cozy venues, or outdoor ceremony inspiration, or even tips for guest comfort in cooler weather, like putting a basket of rolled up shawls on the dance floor, especially if you're going to be outside, even in August. This way, people are comfortable and enjoying the wedding. And those are some of the tips that I put into my wedding blog when I was a wedding photographer that still go viral year after year. Even non-wedding pros can chime in. Interior designers could share seasonal decor inspiration. Coaches can offer how to plan a stress-free event. So tip number three, seasonal marketing prep for small businesses. This is one of my favorite content angles. Now is the time to start pinning. Holiday after prep, Q4 launch strategies, lead magnets, refreshes for fall. You can also share behind the scenes workflows, client strategy tips, planning tools, or even those stories from your clients on how your advice helped them last year at this time. Tip number four, DIY and home refresh projects. This one gets popular year after year after year. Photographers turn this into how to prep your home for a brand photo shoot or best backdrops that you already have in your home. For service providers, talk about upgrading your workspace or creating a calm home office vibe as routines shift post-summer. There are so many ways to align with seasonal trends, even if you're not directly in that DIY niche. So, how can you use these trends in your content plan? Okay, now let's take action steps. Pick one or two trends that relate to your business or your content pillars. Number two, create a blog post, video, or podcast episode around that trend this week. Design 3 to 5 pins that are one piece of content test different titles and styles. And then 4, pin using scheduling tools like Tailwind or just right inside Pinterest with the Pinterest scheduler. And remember, these trends aren't just for August, right? Pinterest content builds over time, like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I have to tell you, just this last week, I looked at my analytics and there was one pin in my top 10 pins that was from 10 years ago. That is so long ago, and it's still driving traffic to my website. So the earlier that you get it onto Pinterest, the better it's going to perform long term. So here's your quick reminder. Pinterest is a search engine. People are typing in that search bar looking for something that they want help with right now, not a social feed. Next August, this blog and the pins that you put on Pinterest are going to resonate all over again. This is the secret sauce to really putting content out that everybody is wanting and looking for. Do you want help creating pins fast? That's exactly what we do inside my Pinterest Strategy Club. We take these trends and help you actually turn them into clicks, saves, and conversions. All of the links are down below if you want to learn more. If this helped you create ideas for what to pin this month, go ahead and hit that button, comment, and let me know. If you're listening on the podcast, don't forget to subscribe if you want monthly Pinterest trend breakdowns just like this one. Comment below. I'm really, really intrigued. Which trend are you going to use or try first in your content? Let's get your business in front of the right eyes and at the right time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.